Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we will discuss how can you import Google Sheets to train your AI chatbot. By training your chatbot, you can ensure that it delivers accurate and helpful responses to your users. So once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you will land on this page. On the left hand side, you will find different options. You have to select the bot which you want to train. Then you have to navigate to the Train Your AI Chatbot section. Here, you'll find different subsections. You can use all of these options to train your AI chatbot and make it smarter. For now, we will be discussing about the Google Sheets option. Here, you firstly have to integrate your chatbot with your Google Sheets. You have to enter the details of your Google account here, and your Google Sheets will be integrated with your AI chatbot. After you complete that process, you will see the Import Google Sheets button right here. As I have already integrated my Google Sheets with the AI chatbot, I'll click on the Import Google Sheet button right here. And here you have to enter your Google Sheet link. You can prepare your data in the Google Sheets and then you can paste the link of that Google Sheet here. You also have to describe the purpose of this Google Sheet. For the demo purpose, I am entering this description. And after entering the link and the description, you just have to tap on the Add Google Sheets link button right here. And that's it. Your Google Sheet has been added. You can see the file name and the description right here. You can also view the training status, the data type, and the last train dates. If you want to refresh, copy, or delete the Google Sheet, you can do it from here. So that was the simple process of adding your Google Sheets to train your AI chatbot on the BotPenguin platform. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.